guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making a makeup tutorial. So let's get started. So first you're going to need a bag of makeup. I got this whole bag. This is the blue on the back here and here. Okay, so the first thing that I do, the thing that you're going to do, is you're just going to take a little brush. This is like a really hard brush, like for your cheek. So after I do that, I'm going to get my little candy. I love this one. This is like a really light peach, just like this the color. It's like a really light peach, and I really like this color. So I'm gonna put it on my little thingy. Ow! I bit my tongue. Ah. And I'm not bleeding. I bit my tongue. So once I got it, I'm gonna do like this. And you see the lines that's up here? I'm gonna put it on there. I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah. You cannot really see it because it's like a really light color. Wait. Okay. So there you go. So now I'm finished with this, and now I'm gonna I'm gonna put mascara on. So this is Maybelline. This one, and I really like this one. So I'm gonna put it on myself. And sometimes, like, you poke yourself, and that's normal. That doesn't just happen to people that they don't know how to do their makeup. That actually happens to everybody. Sometimes that even happens to me, so. And I hate when they just get close. I just get my finger. And I know your fingers are gonna get a little bit black, but I don't like when it's like this stuff. It just feels really nasty. And it doesn't feel nasty, but it just bothers. Yes, a little bit out there, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a little bit so. So I'm just gonna put it on my other eye now. And when you first put your mascara, you don't wanna like do like this, like really hard. Or if not, it's just gonna get on your skin, and you're gonna make a huge mess. So put some more mascara. So I was just looking if there's like some mascara over here. And I'm really sick of putting mascara on, so. Ready to put my mascara on. I have it on ready. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint I'm gonna get my eyeshadow. And put it there, so. And if you want to, you could do your eyeliner. I'm going to do that, and I really said this. Well, actually, no. This is not the eyeliner. This is for your brows. Yeah, this is for your brows. I'm gonna get this, but I'm gonna do this right now. Yeah, I'll do this right now. So I already have the black on here. I have the black color on here. So I'm gonna make them darker for some reason. I like it like really dark, I don't know why. So I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna go. Oh, just look at hair here. Oh my goodness, what the heck is this? Why is there so much hair in that stuff? Oh, my goodness. So, let me just see something right here. Okay, so I'm gonna get my e.l.f. eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, my e.l.f. eyebrow kit. And I'm gonna get, I'm trying to open it. Open, there you go. So I'm gonna get this color. I'm gonna get a really good color. I'm gonna get this color, and right there. And then at the end, I'm gonna put this one. Well, actually, first I'm gonna put the right color. I'm gonna put. Maybe I'm just gonna go ahead and put the. I'm sorry, but for all I'm going to put is this one. That's the only one. There we go. So I already have one on this one. And I'm gonna move the other one. I'm gonna get more. And I'm gonna do it on the other eyebrow. So I'm gonna end it. There you go. So now I'm just gonna brush it down like that. I'm just gonna get a little bit out. So this one is a little bit too dark, so I'm just gonna like. So yeah. Now I'm gonna put on my lips. Just kidding. Okay. So now we can do the eyeshadow. What is this? Oh, I forgot the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna do the eyeliner. Yeah, I'll do the eyeliner first. Okay, so this is the liquid eyeliner, and I really suck at the eyeliner. So. Ta-da! Or I could just paint like a whole eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and go at the end and make a little drip on this. There you go. Perfect. Ooh, this one came out perfect. So now I'm just gonna do little polka dots on myself. And I can just put a little line. And what that line is gonna do is that's just gonna make myself a little bit of more like a tanning, like a Draco color. I'm gonna smush that on my cheek. I'm gonna go here and push on the tip. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do this one a little prettier. There you go, pretty. So both of them are really nice and pretty right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to get my where is it? Okay, so now. Okay, I found it. Everything keeps on falling, I swear. So, I'm going to get my brush. Just gonna be for the cheese on her lip. I do not know why the heck did I do that. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a thing. I love this because like a little thing up here. Like the brush, and it has the eyeshadow one. So, oh, and before anything, I'm gonna put this. I'm just gonna put it on my face. So what else? I look really nice and pretty. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to get this. And I'm going to go like this. and do the other eye. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick the little stuff that fell on the floor. Oh, this is also a mascara, and you want to make sure we put 2 little things of mascara. And why? Because mascara is really important. This one is really wet. So I'm just dipping in there. I'm gonna do this music. I'm gonna just a little dot on each cheek like that. So when you smile, it looks really pretty. And you want to make sure that you got your finger and just smush that down. Looks pretty. Oh, by the way, this is a scary makeup tutorial. So I'm just gonna put some on my eyebrows, my eyebrows. Just smush it down. Make sure. And then go from the corner of your eye going down. Fill with this black little tears. Like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some more mascara on my finger a little bit here. Right there. And I'm just going to put it, smush it down. So now for my lips, just put my lip coat. So I'm going to get my lipstick and I'm going to put it on. And this lipstick smells like really good. So I'm gonna put some wood. I'm gonna make sure that the lipstick is like a red color, like really like red at least. So it's like good for the